Hey guys, what's up? GJT Freak here, and well, today I got my power adapter in. Been waiting for this for a little while, so I'm just gonna do an unboxing for everyone. For those of you who haven't seen it or gotten yours yet, you can see what it's like. Alright, so it looks like some pretty good packaging they got on here. It's a pretty thick box. Seems like a little unnecessary of a size of a box for a little power adapter about this big, but yeah, well, let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. So, looks like you just cut the tape right here. So I'll pop that open. And, oh, messed up my microfiber. Slide this open. And we got a little note in here from Apple. What's this say? Dear Apple customer, thank you for choosing Apple Care service. Enclosed you'll find a replacement Apple product. Blah 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 blah. If you do not arrange collection or return of this envelope box within 10 business days of the date of which you receive this letter, Apple will have the right to charge your credit card a non-return fee in the amount described at the time of order confirmation as you agree when the request of repair from Apple Service Care. So basically they're going to charge you, I don't know what that charge would be, if you don't return it within 10 days. So, that's interesting. But, anyway, back to the unboxing. It's pretty, like I said, pretty intense packaging for a power adapter. We got this crazy foam on here, this, I guess, I don't know, egg crate foam, I guess you'd call it. The peaks. And there's the adapter, wrapped in plastic, of course, typical Apple fashion. And pull that out. Of course, they put their little plastic wrapper on it, just like they do with everything else. And there it is. And yep, there's a little green dot right there. I can get that to focus. It doesn't look like that's going to focus in, but you guys get the point. You can see it right there. Everything else looks the same pretty much. They did taper the ends of this a little bit. If you guys can see that too. They did taper the ends of this a bit. Whereas the old one, which is right here, see, no dot, they did tape. This one is perfectly straight. So, yeah, see, this one's tapered right here. I don't know if that has anything to do with what the problem was with this one. I don't know if it was getting stuck or what was happening. I never had a problem, but apparently some people did. So that's why they came out with this guy right here. So, alright guys, just like I said, it's nothing big. It's just a power adapter. Just a quick little unboxing for those of you who are still waiting for yours. That way you can see what's coming. You know what to expect, what the box is going to look like. Basically, I'm just going to pop this guy back in this box. I'll stick him in the bag here. I don't think there's anything else in here. Probably not. Nope. So we'll stick this in here. Pop that down there. Throw this back on top. Close her up. Close her up. And return, easy return. Okay, so I guess you pull this off right here. Yep, so you rip this off. And there it is. I guess that's all you do. Just tear this, right? Yeah, so you tear this off like that. And then you just ship it back this way, I guess. I don't know how you ship this by, but I don't even know. Is this DHL or FedEx? I'm not sure. I wasn't here when it came in. My dad signed for it. Maybe it says here in the letter. Let's see. Now I'm curious. Oh, it's DHL. Yep. Right here. DHL. So I guess I just gotta call them and have them come pick this up now. So, alright, simple enough. Well, alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to show everybody what was going on with this. And, yeah, so now you know what to do. And, that's it. Alright, see you later guys. Peace out.